Once upon a time, there lived a young boy named Koji. Koji was always curious about the world around him and often searched for answers to life's biggest questions. One day, he heard about a wise Zen master who lived on the tallest hill in the village. Determined to learn from the teacher, Koji climbed up the hill until he reached the quiet temple. With hopeful eyes and a brave heart, he stepped forward to meet the master. "Master," Koji asked, "how can I discover Zen in my life?" The master, a gentle old man with a calm smile, looked at the boy with kindness. "It will take you 10 years," he replied with certainty. Koji's determination grew even stronger after hearing those words. "But master," Koji continued eagerly, "what if I work harder than anyone else around me?" The master paused for a brief moment before giving his reply. "In that case, it will take you 20 years," he said calmly. Still not satisfied, Koji leaned forward with even more determination in his voice. "What if I dedicate my whole life completely to the practice of Zen?" The wise master nodded with a knowing look and answered, "Then it will take you 30 years. Koji's spirit sank, and he could not hide his confusion any longer. "Master, I don't understand this," he said with a troubled face. "The more effort I promise to give, the longer it seems to take. Why is that so?" The master looked at him with eyes full of peace and wisdom. "When one eye is fixed on the goal, you have only one eye left to see the path," he explained gently. Koji stood quietly, realizing there was a hidden truth in these simple words. It was then that he understood what the master meant. Focusing only on the destination would blind him to the journey itself. True wisdom could only be found by living each step fully, instead of rushing to the end. It is like climbing a tall tree to reach the sweet fruit hanging at the top. If you stare only at the fruit and think only of its taste, you may lose balance and fall before reaching it. But if you focus on each step, feeling the bark under your hands and the air in your lungs, you will rise safely. Life works in the very same way, no matter what dream or goal you chase. If you keep your mind only on the reward, you will miss the lessons hidden in the climb. Sometimes the real treasure is not the fruit at the top, but the strength and wisdom gained on the way.